In this video, I'll guide you through a simple and fast way to play Roblox without downloading it. If this tutorial makes things easier for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Playing Roblox without downloading it is useful for accessing the platform on devices with limited storage or when you want quick, hassle-free gameplay. It also lets users try Roblox without committing to an installation. To access Roblox without installing it on your system, start by opening your browser on your laptop or PC. In the address bar, navigate to the website www.easyf.gg. This will take you to the EasyFan homepage, where you'll find a search bar prominently displayed. Type Roblox into the search bar and press Enter to proceed. The search will lead you to the Roblox page on the EasyFan platform. Here you'll notice a button labeled Play on Browser. Click on this button to initiate the loading process. Allow a few moments for the system to fully load Roblox in your browser. Once the loading is complete, you will be prompted to sign up or log in. At this point, you'll see that Roblox is running seamlessly within your browser, eliminating the need for downloading or installing any application. Next, input your login credentials and click the Sign In button. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the Roblox homepage. From there, you can explore all the features and games that Roblox offers, just as you would in the standalone application. This browser-based version provides the full Roblox experience, but with one limitation: it includes a 30-minute free trial. This method is a simple and efficient way to enjoy Roblox without the hassle of installation. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.